Everyone. Very brief. I'll be explaining the Internet Capital Market Roadmap, which was published by Anza and written by all these wonderful people. Rather than going through the paper word by word, I'll just be providing a summary of what it entails. The capital market. The aim actually for all this is just to provide more bandwidth and a low latency environment or market for people to trade. The micro market, say, what entails between the buyer and the seller and everything that revolves around it. So, bringing it to the time of blockchain or the market, we have the takers and we have the makers. Basically, bringing this into the blockchain world. We have those operating online already. We have the Wall Street market, Nasdaq, and all of you. This is simply leveraging that and bringing that on chain, making it easier and much more distributed across the globe. So basically, in order to implement this, we have to have software upgrade or say infrastructure upgrade, which Solana is not capable of that entirely at this moment. So this simply breaks down the three phases we have that in order to implement or make this easy. The first phase is using or implementing the BAM, which is Block Assembly Marketplace by GSO Labs. I have it here. So as you can see, it's already live. As of when the paper was written, it wasn't live yet, but fortunately enough, as of this time, it's live and it's more of a private environment or a private space which is verifiable that execute transactions. These transactions are being executed in order to favor whoever or whichever party is involved. One of the issues with all this that we are trying to solve is we have the makers trying to make the market. At a point in time, they will like or try to cancel their order. Unfortunately, that wouldn't be accepted, and the takers will be able to take that up, making them lose a huge sum or a huge amount of their money. So using the BAM, Block Assembly Marketplace, eliminates that, making it much more easier and safer. It does more of better sequencing of things actually. So that's what the short-term plan. For the long-term plan, we have the Alpine Globe, which is a proposed consensus, which is being worked on, and it's been estimated to hit market by 2026 Q1. So that's for that. And also for the other one, we have the double zero, which is also a highly performant fiber network, which is also using or leveraging the distributed system. The Alpenglow it's an amazing thing whereby the speed is the finality is expected to be around 150 milliseconds. This makes it even much more better and much more reliable to use. That's for the mid-term, and also we have for the long term. For the long term, does more with an even better option whereby the market makers or say those involved in the market will be able to have better confidence on which is the multi-leader structure. Currently, we have it to be single. Sorry, we have it to be single leader, whereby a leader can decide to not take into account of the cancellation of what a maker is putting in place, and you can see the takers here are already able to take it up and leaving the leader or the maker in loss. But with the multi leader system, you have multiple leaders across the globe from New York, say to Tokyo, to wherever it is across the globe. Whereby if a single leader is not letting your transaction pass or your decision pass, you have multiple leaders. Any other leader can pick it up, and that's simply going to solve the problem. So I hope I've been able to break this down to you. If anyone has a question or like, uh, I'll be anticipating that in order to make it even better done for you. Thank you, and have a nice one.